In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Microsoft Forms with name and section. The process is simple and efficient, and you'll have a professional-looking quiz ready in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you arrive at the Microsoft Forms homepage, you'll see an option to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Signing in is crucial as it gives you full access to all features that Microsoft Forms has to offer, ensuring you can save your work as you build your quiz. Now, look for and click on the New Quiz tile. This will initiate the process of creating a new quiz. It's an intuitive starting point designed to guide you through creating assessments seamlessly. Once you're in the quiz interface, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see the text that reads Untitled Quiz. Click on it to give your quiz a name. Naming your quiz helps you organize it and provides your participants with a clear understanding of the quiz's theme or topic. If you have any additional context or instructions to provide, feel free to add a description right beneath the title. Next, let's add a structured flow to your quiz by introducing sections. To do this, click the Add New button, which you'll find just below your last question. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the section option. Dividing your quiz into sections can help with organization and clarity, especially if your quiz covers multiple topics or requires additional information from participants. Click on the new section's title and give it a descriptive name, such as Student Information. Naming sections helps in categorizing the information you want to gather, making it easier for participants to know what is expected of them in each part of the quiz. While still in the newly added section, click the Add New button again and choose text as the question type. This choice is perfect for open-ended responses, such as names or short answers. Type in name or full name as the question prompt. It's helpful to set this as a required field to ensure that every participant provides their name. To do this, click the three dots for More Settings and toggle the required option. Now that you have gathered the necessary participant information, you can proceed to add your quiz questions. Return to the Add New button and select your desired question type. Microsoft Forms offers a variety of question types, from multiple choice to ratings, allowing you to tailor the questions to the objective of your quiz. Repeat this process as needed until all questions for your quiz are included. By following these steps, you've effectively created a well-structured quiz in Microsoft Forms, complete with personalized sections for gathering information. You're now ready to distribute your quiz to participants and assess their responses with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.